Moses said unto the people, fear not, stand still, and see the salvation of the Lord, which he shall bring to you today. For the Egyptians we see today, we shall see them no more.
Which bone cell is responsible for reabsorbing bone matrix and calcium into the blood? Yes.
Osteoclast. Osteoclast.
Yes. Which bone cell has the opposite function of the osteoblast? Michael.
Osteoclast.
Yes. There are two major types of primary producers. Please name them. Ishmael.
They are plants and algae.
No. Which of you? Michael.
Phototrophs and chemotrophs.
Yes. Express the given expression in terms of A and B, where A is equal to log of X and B is equal to log of Y. Log of the expression X over square root of Y. Michael.
A minus B over 2. A minus the expression B over 2.
Yes. In which part of a eukaryotic cell do transcription and translation occur? Which of you, Michael?
Transcription occurs in the nucleus of the cell, while translation occurs in the cytoplasm on the ribosome.
Yes. Mention one of the three main methods by which carbon dioxide can be transported through the blood. Yes, Michael.
It can be transported as bicarbonate ions. That is in the ionic form.
Yes. Simplify the expression 2x squared plus 17x plus 35 over the expression 2x plus 7. A square singleton loop of side 0.2 meter carries a current of 5 amperes. What is the magnitude of the magnetic dipole moment of the loop? An ideal transformer with 2,000 primary turns and 50 secondary turns carries a current of 0.3 ampere in the primary. Find the current. Michael.
12 amperes.
Yes. Find the work done by 5.0 mole of an ideal gas whose pressure changes from 100 kilopascal to 200 kilopascal at a constant volume.
0
Yes.
joules. 0 joules.
Yes.
Simplify the expression. So it's bracket open x plus 1 over x, bracket closed. If St. Peter's, x equals 3 plus root 8. Yes, Michael.
6.
That's correct. A preamble to all the schools. State the benefits obtained by each organism in the following ecological associations. State the benefits obtained by each organism in the following ecological associations. St. Peter's, bacteria in the digestive tract of ruminants. Yes, go ahead.
So the bacteria in the digestive tract of ruminants gain shelter and protection and also have free access to food. Whilst the ruminants benefit from this association by being able to break down complex substances such as cellulose with the aid of the bacteria.
I'll take that. That's correct. The refractive index of LASF9 glass is 1.80 at 2.25 micrometers. What is the speed in LASF9 glass of monochromatic light of wavelength 2.25 micrometers? St. Peter's.
1.67 times 10 to the power 8 meters per second.
That is correct. Find the next three terms of the sequence defined by the recurrence relation. St. Peter's. UN plus 1 equals 5 minus UN and U1 equals 2. Yes, Michael.
3 2, 3.
That's correct. A preamble. Dry silver 1 oxide reacts with iodoethane to give silver 1 iodide and diethyl ether. So DIETHYL, diethyl ether. The balance equation is as follows. Ag2O plus 2C2H5I gives 2AgI plus bracket open C2H5 bracket close subscript 2. O. I is 127, Ag is 108, O is 16.0, C is 12.0, and then H is 1.00. Rekum. Calculate the mass in grams of silver 1 iodide that can be obtained by reacting 1/16 of silver 1 oxide with excess iodoethane. Okay. Yeah, as a bonus, St. Peter's.
235 grams.
Repeat that.
235 grams.
That is correct. Notre Dame. Calculate the mass of AgI in grams that can be produced from a mixture of 300 grams of Ag2O and 312 grams of C2H5I. As a bonus. Yes, St. Peter's.
470 grams.
That is correct. What is the difference between voltaic cells and electrolytic? St. Peter's.
In voltaic cells, chemical reactions are used to produce an EMF, but in electrolytic cells, an EMF is used to drive a chemical reaction.
That's correct. Find the impedance at an angular frequency of 25 rad per second of a series RLC circuit with R equals 30 ohms. L. Yes, St. Peter's.
50 ohms.
That is correct. What is the energy in joules of the most energetic photon in the Lyman series of hydrogen spectral lines? Yes, St. Peter's.
2.18 times 10 to the power minus 18 joules.
That is correct. Solve for y in terms of x from the proportion 2x is to y equals y is to 18x. Yes, St. Peter's.
Y is equal to plus or minus 6x.
That is correct. Our first riddle. I am a statistical measure. I am concerned with the variability in a given data set. I cover a range of statistical quantities. Examples of me are the range and mean deviation. St. Peter's.
Measures of dispersion.
That is correct. Our next riddle. We are mostly marine planktons, but we are also common in freshwater habitats. We are unicellular and possess 2 dissimilar flagella arising from our ventral side. Our populations are distributed depending on sea surface temperature, salinity, or depth. In terms of number of species, we are one of the largest groups of marine eukaryotes. A rapid accumulation of some of us can result in the visible coloration of water, colloquially known as red tide, a harmful... Yes, St. Peter's. Michael.
Dinoflagellates.
That is correct.